This is a video of my car. As you noticed, it is almost done. Can't really go much anywhere because how much room I have to work with. It's okay because I'm basically just trying to work on the motor anyway. A radio I got for my birthday a few days, well, like weeks ago, next couple months. The audio subwoofer, I gotta get a box for it, but other than that, it's convertible style. My car has tweeters. You can barely see in there. They glow blue too. That's right on my radio. My car is almost done. That's on a bunch of parts. There's that exhaust manifold. My coil pack's sitting right there. Other than that, that's a nice old car. It's almost done. Yay!